Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa Jote, short for Jack of all trades, Jenny of all trades, Jen of all trades. Anywho, so today's video is just a tutorial on this braid pattern that I used to do this pretty braids for my model. The tutorial on how I actually put the crochets in will follow soon, but this here is just the braid pattern, and so you see that I will not be showing you details of how the crochet is actually installed, but you will see the detail of the braid pattern. She wants to get a side part, and so I'm going to make a side part on the left side of her head. What I do when I'm making my lines is I try to make my braids small enough, my cornrows small enough, so that the locks matches the size of the braid, at least for the perimeter, the front hairline. So bear in mind, just make sure that your braids are small enough in the front so the lock looks like it's coming from out of the scalp and not so crochet like. Okay. will mimic single, the single braids. So this is her part. And we have the hair kind of going straight back. I plan to angle it this way. And somehow I forgot and angled it this way, and this side is going a little bit straight. So what I'm going to do is, now that we are back here, we have the hair angling this way, right? And back here, I'm going to angle it even more this way so the braids falls and you can't really see what's going on in there. So I hope that makes sense to you guys, but I'll show you the braiding pattern. Towards the back of the head, typically I would do tiny cornrows, neat cornrows. This time I made my cornrows a little larger than usual because I didn't want to put too much hair. I was really surprised. We only used 5 packs of this hair, and it came in 6 packs, and there are 18 strands in each pack, so you get a whole lot of hair. Now also realize my model has a very small head, so she only used 5 packs. That doesn't mean you're going to use 5 packs too. You probably end up using a little bit more or a little bit less depending on the size of your head. This hair was sent to me by a company. I loved it so much. I ended up buying some with my own money so I could put it on my daughter's hair. She loved it. We took a trip to Florida to the beach, and that's what she wore to the beach. I'm going to take a picture of my daughter's hair. I'm making a video of hers also, and I will include a picture of how her hair looks after the beach, after swimming. And what I did for her was I cut the curly strands. I cut all of them out of her hair. The first day we went to the beach and we came back, I realized that it was time to frizz up. I didn't like the look, so I cut it out, and it's just so gorgeous. So I'll take a picture of that and include it in her video. So make sure you come back and watch that video and see how this hair does when you go on vacation and swim with it and wash it and all that, okay? So yeah, guys, just continue watching. Thank you guys so much for hanging around with me. I will try my very best to bring videos as much as I can. I work full-time. I'm gone all day. I have kids and a family. It's hard sometimes to be able to... I have videos, y'all. I just can't find the time to edit. But I'm trying my best because I know I appreciate you guys hanging there, hanging around to watch my videos and look out for more. So I'll do my very best to also hold my end of the bargain and bring more videos as much as I can. But I totally appreciate y'all. Love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
like it. It's something I can get up and go. And I'm gonna leave my hair down a lot for this style, but normally I like to wear my hair up. But if you want to see it kind of up, so you can see. Put your hair down a little bit for us to see it too. Okay. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake the booty. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Silly self. All right, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Ciao. Yeah.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah. Everybody get chopped down. Place it up like helicopter. When them see